Now, for the longest time, I've been saying that a setup tour was coming, and it's finally here after many hours of me rearranging things and just making things perfect. I think this is a setup I am really happy to share with you guys. Now, cable management wise, it's not going to be anything tech stores would approve of, but you know, aesthetically, it's something that I really like. Now, starting off with my peripherals, I'm going to go into my gaming mouse, and now I call it my gaming mouse because that's mainly what I use it for, and I'm rocking the Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse just because, you know, I like wireless. I don't like having to deal with, you know, long cables, razor cables, you know, I can't do with all of that. It's too much for me. I want to keep everything as clean as possible, and I have the adapter for it connected to my keyboard, which has a USB port, which is a Sound Blaster X Vanguard K08. And now this keyboard and mouse combination for me is just perfect. I don't need all the RGB I can, but you know, I'm gonna get it where I can. So for my creative keyboard, it is, you know, a fully RGB keyboard, but I mostly keep it on red because that's what I think looks the best. And for my mouse, you know, it doesn't have any RGBs. Another thing I want to talk about are my headphones, because these headphones are probably one of the best sounding headphones. These are the Sony MDR headphones. They're not the newest model. I got them like 2 years ago. They were refurbished for $100, and it's probably the best investment ever just because they sound incredible. They're Bluetooth. I just have a Bluetooth card going into my computer, and it makes life so much better. Now, switching over to my microphone, the microphone I'm currently talking into is a Blue Yeti Blackout Edition, and I did have a bunch of microphones before getting this one, and even I have to say this isn't the best microphone that I've had on the channel before, but I just feel like this is the only one that brings everything together. I've had Audio Technicas, I've had a Blue Snowball, I've had a Rode microphone, and I think the Rode microphone was definitely the best one I've had, but I just feel like there was a lot of little things that each microphone was missing, and the Blue Yeti, although it doesn't deliver the best audio quality, it does a really good job of bringing everything together, like a stand, a really solid microphone, options to the microphone, and you know, just a very well put together microphone. And now, I don't really remember what the model name for my two LG monitors are, but you know, I'm gonna put it down below in the description. Everything will be down below so you guys know if you guys want to get any of these things. The links are down below in the description, but these are two 22-inch monitors, and I've never really been too satisfied with big monitors just because I feel like they take up too much space and I end up being a lot more, you know, unproductive than I would normally be. And these 22-inch monitors are just perfect, and they look really good because I have them mounted on a boom arm. Another thing that my setup has going for it is the chair. The chair is something that you sit on every day, and it's something very important because, you know, obviously your butt is going to be going on it and you need it to be as comfortable as possible. I got this chair for around $100 on Amazon. It's no big brand name chair or anything like that, but it does get the job done. I'll leave a link to everything down below because if you guys want a really aesthetically pleasing setup, you gotta have a really good chair to go with it too. Now, I'm not saying get the chair, but so far I'm really satisfied with it, so if you guys are interested, links will be down below. And now, if you guys can see my computer in the back, it is in the back right corner that it has a Ryzen 5 1600X overclocked to 4.0 gigahertz. I have a GTX 980, and it's inside of a RAID Max Monster 2 case, and that's basically all you have to know about it because everything else is just, you know, very generic and very red. And now the last part of my entire setup is actually the newest part of my setup, and that is the Xbox One, because I recently got an Xbox One at Costco for $260, and it's an Xbox One S. It did come with 2 controllers, and this Xbox deal was really good because it came with 3 months of Xbox Live, the 2 controllers, and Xbox One S 500 gigabytes. I know it's only 500, but you know, you can easily change that. And then with those 3 months of Xbox Live, it came with an additional 1 month trial Xbox Live code, so that's 4 months. And then once I applied all the codes, it said that if I added my card in again just for a future, you know, renewal, it was going to give me another month. So I basically got 5 months of Xbox Live, and then I just took my card off and I still got the 5 months. So you know, it's a really good deal, and I just, you know, the moment I saw it, I hopped on it. But as you guys can see, this setup is nothing incredible, but it's also not that bad. I really enjoy putting as much work as I can into my setup to make it look aesthetically pleasing to my friends and to everyone around that comes to my house and looks at my setup, because it's something that I'm really proud of. It's like when people show off their cars, I like showing off my setup not because I'm like, look at this, $500, $600. No, I like showing it off because I want to see what I can do with it and how good I can make it look. Let me know down below what you're currently rocking with your setup. Let me know your computer, your monitors, everything down below. And if you guys have a picture of it, put your Twitter name down below so I can go check it out on Twitter, and it'll just make life easier for me, so that way I can compare your guys' setups and see how much work you guys are putting in. Now I know my cable management skills are lacking, but it's because I change my setup all the time. You guys would not believe how much I change my setup, and this happens because I easily get bored of the way my setup looks, and I'll change it completely just to satisfy my needs, my tendencies to just, move everything over and over and over again. Anyways guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, remember to leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part about my setup, and I will see you guys around, and I'm out. Peace guys.